All right, these are story problems from section 8.2. The first story problem says the mean, and the mean, of course, is the mathematical word for average. The average of two numbers is 3.2. One of the numbers is 8.1. What's the other number? So x equals the other number. So how do I get the average of two numbers? How do I get the average of two numbers? We take number 1 and number 2, add them together and divide by 2 to get the mean. This would be your formula for the average of two numbers. So since the first number is 8.1 plus the second number, which we don't know, those two numbers added together and divided by 2 will be the mean, which is given to you as being 3.2. So the way we set this up is the first number plus the second number divided by 2 equals the average. So therefore 8.1 plus the second number that we don't know divided by 2 will be your mean. Once we have that, the easiest way to tackle this is to double both sides. When you double this side, instead of having half of 8 plus 1, 8.1 plus x, you have all of 8.1 plus x equals 6.4. Subtract 8.1 from both sides. And x equals whatever 6.4 combined with a negative 8.1. The other number is negative 1.7. Question 2 in our story problems from section 8.3 says two equilateral triangles differ in their side lengths by 1.05 meters per side. The perimeter of the larger triangle is 9.83. What is the side length of the smaller? So, first thing I'd like to see on your answers for your test is drawing both of them. So the smaller one, we can do it either one of two ways. I like doing it this way. Make your smaller one x, x, and x. And make your larger one, since each side differs in side length by 1.05, since this is the larger one, it's not going to be 1.5 meters smaller, but 1.5 meters larger. So what is the perimeter formula for an equilateral triangle? The perimeter of an equilateral triangle will be perimeter equals 3 multiplied by whatever the side length is, right? Or side plus side plus side, or 3 multiplied by side length. Both are the same. So the perimeter, which is given to us as 9.83, is equal to 3 multiplied by the algebraic side length of x plus 1.05. Once we set up our equation like this, multiple ways to solve it. Most of you prefer this way, I think. So instead of 3 sides being equal to 9.83, one side will be equal to a third of that perimeter, or 9.83 divided by 3, which is 3.276 repeating, 3.276 repeating. From that number, actually, hold on a second, I better take that number, 9.83 divided by 3. What am I going to do with this number? I'm going to subtract 1.05 from it. I get 2.226 repeating. Oh, God. 2.226 repeating. So if that's the side length, how do I get the perimeter of the other one? What do I have to do with that x? If x equals this, correct. So 2.226 repeating. Is that as many as I can get? Yeah, multiplied by 3 equals 6.68 roughly. 6.68 approximately equal to 6.68. I didn't need that. I just need the side length. Oh, never mind. Side length only. Okay. Next question. Actually, hold on.